In this video, I will show you two methods of recovering WhatsApp View Once photos. And if you have any questions towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your WhatsApp app and then click on this three dot icon to access your settings. Once you are in your settings, just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see storage and data. Click on it and then you see manage storage at the top. Then click on it. Now in here, all you have to do is just look for that person that actually sent you the view once photo, or rather a video. So let me just click on pretty much anybody in here. So once you click on them, you are going to see the recent videos or photos that they actually sent you, and now you'll be able to access them in here. Now method number two is that whenever someone sends you a view once photo, do not ever open it. What you have to do is that you make sure you look for any phone around you, and then once you take the phone, just open the photo and then hold it something like this. Once you hold it like this, just take the other phone and then use it to take a picture of that view once photo. Then once you've done this, you will now use the second phone that you used to take the photo to send it back to your main phone. This way you'll be able to access that view one photo anytime that you want. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.